Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I am sharing with you the Birthday Bonanza Designer Series paper from the Stampin' Up! 2020 Occasions mini catalog. This paper is so super cute and I love the color combination. I love the cutesy little ideas, but then also you don't have to use the cutesy animals. You can use all the other patterns for other birthday cards or other all occasion cards, which makes this paper super versatile to use even if you don't need to make a kid card or something super cutesy or anything like that. So I love a good versatile pack of paper like that, and it always makes it hard to be able to decide which side to use, but I'm just glad to be able to use the paper for every little bit of it in a package and everything. So I'm going to go through each sheet of this so that you can see the full spectrum of the sheet of 12 by 12 designer series paper, both front and back. And of course, pick out your favorite one and let me know what it is in the comments below. And at the end of the video, I'll share with you my favorite one. So did you pick out your favorite from the Birthday Bonanza Designer Series paper pack? Of course, my favorite is this one here. I super love that little lion. I also love the little koala bear, but then I'm loving this one too with those little like starburst images too, because I think that will make a great background paper. So let me know what yours is in the comments below. Of course, I'll be posting pictures of completed projects on my blog, laurastamppad.com, so you can check that out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.